the distant sound of waves crashing on the shore.
The sight of lush coastal vegetation.
The mesquite smell of campfires mixed with the fresh ocean air.
This is Bullards Beach State Park. 188 miles from Portland, and 849 miles from Hollywood. This coastal wonderland lies at the mouth of the Coquille River, 2 miles north of Bandon on Oregon's south coast.
It's hard not to get emotional. I love the southern coast.
The park is open year-round and has over 200 campsites, but many of the sites are situated closely together.
Some nice vegetation. I really like these. I think these are myrtle bushes. The neighbors right next to me, a kindly old couple, they were making breakfast, bacon and eggs. I could smell it right next to my tent, and my stomach was gargling. This park is huge. Familiarize myself with the trails of this place. Exciting. If you stop, there's just swarms of mosquitoes. The old state parkism. Whenever anyone walks by my spot, they do the Did they do it? Now I'm going to my friend's campsite.
You whippersnapper, what are you doing here?
I'm just enjoying my spot here at Bullards Beach State Park. It's named after the Bullards. They were early settlers here at the mouth of the Coquille River.
Wild turkeys can be found roaming around throughout the park.
One morning, I even woke up to one of them pecking around in a bag of agates that I had left just outside my tent. In the spring of 2020, a small Japanese fishing vessel washed ashore just north of Bullards Beach State Park. Researchers tracked it to the 2011 offshore earthquake in Japan that generated a deadly 125-foot tsunami. When it arrived here in 2020, it had traveled more than 9,000 miles in 9 years. That just standing there, gazing out to sea. Who would be here on this beach at this time? That is weird.